friends, welcome back to my channel Beauty Getaways. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Rupal and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, DIYs, product reviews, etc. So in case you're interested in these type of contents, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also please press the bell notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, the notification reaches you first. So today's video is going to be on two topics. Number one, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step procedure to do a simple pedicure at home. And second, for doing the pedicure, I'm going to use the O3 Plus Manicure Pedicure Kit. So I'm going to also share with you the review of the same. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly dive into the video. So let's start from the basics first. This is the O3 Plus Professionals Bubblegum Manicure Pedicure Kit. This is a single-use kit which retails for ₹200. All the details about this kit is written on the packet itself, so all the contents and the ingredient list is mentioned on the packet. This is a 6-step manicure pedicure kit which contains a crystal wash, a pedi wash, a micro peel which is basically a scrubber, a massage cream, a mask and a bubblegum gel which is for relaxation and self-pampering. So the first step of any pedicure should be trimming and shaping your nails. And of course, if you have nail polish, you need to remove it first and then take a nail cutter and cut your nails carefully, and then take a nail file and properly shape your nails. So the step one of this pedicure is crystal wash. This is basically a combination of crystal salt and aroma oils, and you have to mix it with hot water and take a food bath. This will totally de-stress you and make you feel relaxed. You know, when you go to the parlors or the spas for a pedicure and you get that ambience, you get to smell some beautiful aromatic oils and you feel really stress-free and relaxed. So with this step, you're going to get that exact feel. So the next step is pedi wash, which is a combination of urea, BHA and elderflower extract. This is a clear gel based wash, and what I am doing is I'm taking a required amount of product and gently massaging my feet to clean it. And I'm also using a brush for this process. And lastly, I will take the rest of the cleanser and mix it with the hot water and soak my feet in it for 5 minutes. Now, after soaking the feet, you will feel that the heel area has softened, and this is the place where you have the maximum accumulation of dead skin cells, or if you have cracked heels, then you will find the maximum accumulation of dirt as well. So you need to get rid of the dirt and the dead skin cells. So for that, I'm using a foot file. So the third step is the micro peel, which is a combination of urea, BHA and macadamia. This is a gel based scrub. The smell of the scrub is really interesting as it has a bubblegum fragrance. So this is a decent scrub. You need to massage your feet with a generous amount of the scrub for 5 minutes and then wash it off. So the fourth step is pedi massage, which is a combination of aloe vera extract and lactate. Now the first thing that I will do before massaging is take a bit of the cream and apply it on the nails, and then take a cuticle pusher and clean the nail bed and push the cuticles. Then you just need to take a generous amount of cream and massage your feet. This will provide you the extra nourishment and also soften your skin. So step number 5 is the pedi mask, which contains olive oil, urea and lactate. This is a cream mask and it doesn't really dry out your skin. When I did my pedicure, I kept this mask on my skin for 10 minutes and then I washed it off. And after washing it off, I could feel that my skin felt really nourished and smooth and very clean. So guys, we have finally reached the last and the most interesting step, which is called bubblegum. In this step, you're given a packet of gel powder which when mixed with warm water gets swelled up and feels really slushy. So this step is only for self-pampering and relaxation, and at the same time it's really very interesting. So to conclude, I would like to tell that I really enjoyed this pedicure kit, and the bubblegum gel powder and the crystal wash are the two products which are normally not present in any other pedicure kit. But there are also two cons which I would like to discuss. Number one is it's a bit pricey, like rupees 200 for one single use is a bit expensive for me. And second con is that it cannot be used twice because the packaging of the product doesn't permit you to store the product safely. So other than these two, I think the product is a decent product, and if my pocket permits, I may also buy it again. So that was it for today guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If yes, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will meet you again in my next video very soon. Till then, you take good care of yourself. Bye.